On 14 October 2022, at around 8 p.m., based on credible source information, a counter-insurgency operation was conducted at Nikikona village, Rajabala, Phulbari, West Garo Hills by a team from Phulbari police station, and items recovered were one pistol magazine, 3 live ammunition, one motorcycle bearing registration number ML08G4295, one scooty without registration number, 2 mobile phones, 2 SIM cards. 3 persons have been arrested. Silman Armarak, 30 years, son of Ranjit M. Sangma, resident of Kumilapara, Garubada, West Garo Hills. Elias Alom, 24 years, son of Torifullah Diwani, resident of Babupara, New Baitpari, West Garo Hills. Nur Hussain, 22 years, son of Azia Raman, resident of Gomaijora Salkandi, Gomaijora, West Garo Hills. Case has been registered and the investigation is going on.